Hey guys, Dr. Holly here, and I am an Associate Professor of Medicine at the CU Anschutz Health and Wellness Center and co-founder of the transformational weight loss program called Stay to Slim. Wanted to do my quick video kind of check-in about Larry and Kathie J. Both of them have been going through the 16-week transformational weight loss program, Stay to Slim, killing it. I know you've been following them, you've been supporting them. They are really starting to feel like Stay to Slimmers. They even talk like Stay to Slimmers now, and it's so cool to see. They are on week 13 and week 14, some critical weeks, getting toward the end. I mean, where has time gone? I can't believe it feels like they just started, but only 2 more weeks left and they will be finishing this first part of the journey, the 16 weeks, the first part of their forever journey. And weeks 13 and 14 really are about setting themselves up for a forever journey. Week 13 is about paying it forward, spreading it forward, helping others that are also on a journey, and that really is setting them up to be able to keep the weight off. It's part of what is important in weight loss maintenance with Stay to Slim. So we've been talking about that. They have a lot of projects that they're thinking about doing and helping other Stay to Slimmers, and it's so cool to see them do that. And then week 14 is the big week. Week 14 is the week where we talk about weight loss maintenance. It's called Stay to Slim Forever. It's chapter 9 if you're reading the book, if you're doing the program with the book. It is the chapter that talks about the difference between weight loss and weight loss maintenance. I think one of the biggest problems one of the biggest reasons why people fail, and when I say fail, I mean regain the weight. They're very successful at losing 20 pounds, but they regain that 20 pounds and then lose it again and regain it and go back and forth, that yo-yo, is that they never think about weight loss being separate from weight loss maintenance. They just think about doing something forever. And yes, you need to change your behaviors forever, but what you're doing to lose the weight and what you need to do to keep it off are not exactly the same thing. You can't do what you're doing for weight loss forever. It just doesn't work. You know, you can do it for a short period of time. You can be very successful at getting the weight off, but then you need to switch gears. You need to switch over to weight loss maintenance. And that really is the secret sauce of Stay to Slim. The whole time Kathie and Larry have been losing weight, we have been preparing them to be where they need to be. We begin with the end in mind so that they can keep the weight off. In chapter 9 or week 14 in the program is when we really talk about the difference. We talk about weight loss as being like swimming up a river, right? That's what they've been doing. And weight loss maintenance is like treading water in a river. And swimming up a river, and I like to use the butterfly because that's a hard stroke, you can get really good at, but you can't do it forever. You get super tired at some point. And before you get so tired that you lay on your back and you shoot down the river, which means regain the weight that you've lost, you need to learn to tread water to stay the same place in the river. And that's what week 14 is all about, understanding what the difference is and realizing that at some point you need to switch gears. You need to go into weight loss maintenance. Now, I will tell you what everybody says to me in my clinic, and this is no different. Kathie J and Larry are saying the same thing to me. They want to lose some more weight. No one is ever ready to go into weight loss maintenance. Just 5 more pounds or 10 more pounds, or Dr. Holly, I have more weight to lose. Look, look, look. I get it. We always want to lose a little bit more. Myself, I'm always like, oh, 5 more pounds, that would be good. But the key is you have to switch at some point. If you stay in weight loss too long, it will backfire on you. You will get so tired. Being in a negative energy balance, being on a diet, restricting your calories, you can't do it forever. The body fights back. The mind fights back. It's hard, right? So I like to think about it in terms of you lose weight, you maintain for some period of time, and then you lose again and maintain for some period of time. You do it in sections. Right? So you swim up the river, you hold the same place, you tread water in the river, you swim up the river, and you tread water in the river. That works so much better as trying to swim the whole time until you get to your ultimate goal. So that's what we talked about in week 14. We talked about the 5 strategies that are specific for weight loss maintenance, for treading water, for making sure that you don't shoot back down the river that has a current, that you know what you're doing, and also how we put a safety net in the river. That's something else we talk about with Stay to Slim, to have a safety net so you get caught before you regain a lot of weight. They are absolutely killing it, both Kathie and Larry. they have become Stay to Slimmers. They've totally turned the corner. You can even hear it and see it. They are happier, and they really have become kind of new people in terms of how they think and what they do, and they are planning some great pay it forward stuff for Stay to Slim and for all of you out there that are Stay to Slimmers. What is the take home? You know, I would have to say the take home for everybody watching this is think about weight loss different than weight loss maintenance, and catch yourself. If you're wanting to just stay in weight loss, but you're getting tired, you're super tired, and you're starting to think this isn't working and you're getting frustrated, it may be time to move into weight loss maintenance. And that's different than weight loss. So don't let yourself kind of fall into that trap of staying in weight loss too long. The studies, the science would show 4 to 6 months is about the max for most people. After about 6 months, not many people can continue to lose weight. Yes, there are exceptions to the rule, but in general, if I was betting on you in Vegas, I would say lose weight, hit it as hard as you can for 4 to 6 months, and then move into weight loss maintenance. Stay in weight loss maintenance 2 or 3 months, and then when you feel ready, when you feel strong, go into the weight loss phase again. That, I think, is a key to long-term success, a key to losing as much weight as you need to lose and keeping it off. All right, I will do another kind of check-in in about 2 weeks. They only have 2 weeks left, and then they will be finished with the first part. They will continue on. The journey's never over. I always say that. This is just the first part of their journey, but they will continue on. And support them, guys. They are now Stay to Slimmers, so go out to their Facebook pages, go out to their Instagrams, and support them and welcome them to Stay to Slim Nation. They are killing it, and they are now Stay to Slimmers. See y'all soon. Bye.